Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and in this video I show you guys how to paint my Girls' Generation or SNSD Forever 1 inspired nail art design. So without further ado, let's get started. We're going to start by applying a bronze foil to the index fingernail, a shimmery blue glitter polish to the middle fingernail, a hollow magenta to the ring fingernail, white to the pinky nail, and a hot pink to the thumbnail. I did apply base coat before applying the colors, and I do apologize for the bad quality here. I'm not exactly sure why it shows up a little blurry here compared to other videos, but on the index nail I'm starting by writing Forever 1, and that is the logo that appears at the end of the music video and is of course the name of the title track for this amazing 15th anniversary comeback. And yes, we've waited so long. I think Girls' Generation has played a big role in my life. They definitely got me really excited about K-pop, and that's how I discovered K-pop. I think the first K-pop song I listened to was probably Genie, so definitely a long time ago now, and so this comeback is very special to me. It means a lot to me. I wouldn't call myself a tone, but I definitely am still a big fan of theirs, and I just really enjoy seeing them grow, from their music to their personalities and just their personal lives as well. Now for the middle fingernail, I am doing the logo on the, I guess like parade float that they're on. I'm not really sure, but it's an amazing celebratory theme throughout the music video, and so we have like floats and sets and glitter and confetti. But I am just going ahead and doing that circular logo there, and for the ring fingernail I am drawing a mic stand, and this is taken from Taeyeon Scene. So this music video just kind of summarizes what they were up to for the past 5 years, and it shows them coming together at the end because they are Girls' Generation no matter what, and they are Forever 1. And so I really like the message of the music video, and I think it was a really nice comeback. I mean, the song probably could have been better and maybe more impactful, but I mean, they even sampled their own debut song, Into the New World. Like, how iconic is that? It definitely has subtle placement, but if you're a fan, once you hear it, it brings back so many emotions. I still remember from when I first watched the music video for Into the New World. This was a bit after I found out about them, and when I finally wanted to know more about them, and I think it's just such a fresh concept, and it summarizes their debut so nicely. Like, they're literally breaking into a new world, the music industry, and it's all new for them, and it's a little scary but also very exciting to start a new chapter. And so to hear them kind of revisit that theme was just so nice, and I think it's a perfect time for them to do that as well, because they have tried what they wanted to try in their solo careers, and now they're kind of coming back together and giving this gift to their fans. I think this comeback has been magical, to say the least. I still remember the moment the comeback was announced. I thought that it was all a joke, and I couldn't really take it seriously until the teasers came out and people were like, this is real, and I was like, yes it is. And when the song came out, it was amazing, and again, it just brought back those emotions from the past. If you haven't listened to the song, I highly recommend that you go check it out and support them. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.